Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Vena Ameliya, NPM 234120039, Accounting Class 23A, Accounting Systems course. Okay, here I will explain about fixed asset accounting system. Let's just discuss it. Definition. Fixed assets are company assets which has economic benefits for more than 1 year and obtained by the company for carry out company activities, not for resale. Characteristics of fixed assets. 1. The frequency of transactions that change fixed assets is relatively small compared to transactions that change current assets, but generally involve large amounts of rupiah. 2. Control of fixed assets is carried out when planning the acquisition of fixed assets, so that the authority system for acquiring fixed assets is applied at the time of acquisition planning and during the implementation of the fixed asset planning. 3. Expenditures related to fixed assets need to be divided into 2 types, namely, income expenditure and capital expenditure. Classification of fixed assets. 1. Soil and soil improvement. 2. Buildings and building repairs. 3. Factory machines and equipment. 4. Furniture. 5. Vehicle. Fixed asset management. Fixed assets have optimum utilization during their estimated economic life. It is necessary to establish a function that has responsibility for regulating the use, transfer, and granting authorization for the use of fixed assets. The authority of fixed assets is placing fixed assets in the hands of the fixed asset usage function. Provide authorization for the transfer of fixed assets from one function to another function. Provide authorization to terminate the use of fixed assets. Providing authorization to send fixed assets to external parties for repair purposes. Type of fixed assets. 1. Manual typewriter. 2. Electronic typewriter. 3. Paper cutting machine. 4. Paper shredder. 5. Photocopier. Portability. Portability of fixed assets is classified according to the ease and whether or not fixed assets can be moved from one place to another as follows. 1. Portable, can be carried by human hands. 2. Movable, can be moved with the help of equipment. 3. Fixtures, attached to other fixed assets. Document. Documents used to record transaction data that change the cost of fixed assets and the accumulated depreciation of fixed assets that are considered are 1. Investment authorization request letter, request for expenditure authorization or expenditure authorization. 2. Repair request letter, permission for repairs. 3. Letter requesting transfer of fixed assets. 4. Letter requesting suppression of use of fixed assets. 5. Work order, work order. 6. Purchase order letter. 7. Goods receipt report. 8. Factory from supplier. 9. Proof of cash out. 10. Warning evidence. Subsystem network. The subsystem network that forms the fixed asset accounting system is 1. Fixed asset purchasing system. 2. System of acquiring fixed assets through own development. 3. Capital expenditure system. 4. Fixed asset retirement system. 5. Fixed asset transfer system. 6. Fixed assets revaluation system. 7. Fixed asset depreciation accounting system. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.